in the previous video, like the plus plus operator increments the value by 1, and also the decrement operator decrements the value by 1. So in this video I'll be talking about relational operators. Relational operators tells us about the relation between two variables, and based on that relation they return true or false. For example, if we have two integer type variables like a equals 5 and b equals 10, we can know the relation between them. Like if this operator tells us whether these two variables are equal or not, we use them like that: a equals b, and when this code will be executed, it will return us a true value, a true boolean value, if both of the variables are equal. In this case we have a equals to 5 and b equals to 10. So when this piece of code will be executed, it will return us a false value because a and b are not equal. The second relational operator is not equals to. This exclamation mark and the equal sign, when are written together, they become a not equals operator, which returns true if the variables are not equal, and it returns false if the variables are equal. So in the above case, as 5 not equals to 10, then this expression will return true. And the next operator is less than operator, and it tells us whether one variable is less than the other. A is less than b, then it will return us true. If a is not less than b, it will return us false. In this case, 5 is less than b, then it will return us a true value. And the greater than operator works with the same fashion, but it tells you whether the first variable is greater than b or not. If a is greater than b, it will return true. If a is not greater than b, it will return false. So in this case, a is 5 and b is 10, we get a false. Less than or equal to, this operator tells us whether a and b are equal or they are less. In both cases, if they are less or they are equal, it will return true. 5 is less than or equals to b. In this case, because 5 is less than b, 5 is less than 10, it will return us a true value. If the value of a was 10 and the b was also 10, we applied this operator on a and b, it will return us a true value because a is equal to b. Okay, the next operator returns us a true value if the first variable is greater than or equals to the second variable. In this case, a is 10 and B is 10, so they are equal, so this will return us a true value. And that's all. These are all the relational operators that are used in MQL4 programming, and they are widely used in making decisions. For example, let me show you the chart and describe something. For example, here we have this chart. At this moment, the moving average and the current price are equal. So if we apply this operator on moving average and the current price, and we wanted to know whether they are equal or not, the moving average equals to the current price, yes, so it will return us a true value when they will be equal at this moment. And if we will apply the operator is greater than equals to be, like moving average is greater than equals to the current price, that will return us true below here, and it will return us false above here, because the current value at right here is greater than the moving average, so it will return us true. If we write like this, if A represents the current value and B represents the moving average, so the current value is equal to the moving average, it will return false, because at this moment they are not equal. So we can use these relational operators to do several things in MQL4 programming. So